Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IAS Academy. So today in this session I am going to discuss one of the most important topic which is there in the news, that is related to art and culture, that is GS paper 1 in terms of mains, and this is also important for your prelims examination, and that is Bandasar Jain temple. Yes, Bandasar Jain temple is in news recently and Times of India में एक article भी आया था with respect to this Jain temple. Now, what is the importance of this temple? Why this temple is considered as unique? The most important headline of this temple was, in this temple 40,000, this temple is created by a desi ghee. Clear? Around 40,000 kilograms desi ghee was used in mortar, because at that time water scarcity was there, and that is why desi ghee was used. This is the importance of this Jain temple. Now, so first of all, you should know why you should read this topic. Okay. So because it is there in the news. So Times of India. In Times of India, there was one article. Now, why this is important? This is a part of art and culture. It is important from the perspective of prelims as well as mains. Also, it is important from the perspective of ancient history, and the topic is Jainism, because it is related to Jain Tirthankar also. So, it is related to fifth Tirthankar in Jainism, Sumati Nath. Clear? Now, so there are total 24 Tirthankaras. Clear? Now, first of all, why architecture of this temple is important? So, let me tell you, because this temple, that is Bandasar Jain temple, it is a temple made of ghee. Clear? And this is situated in Bikaner region, Rajasthan. Second importance of this temple here is, it was constructed by a wealthy Jain merchant whose name was Bandasa Oswal. In Rajasthan, आप ज़्यादातर जो भी Jain temples देखेंगे, those temples were created by wealthy Jain merchants only. Clear? Then this temple is dedicated to fifth Tirthankar in Jainism, that is Sumati Nath, and it is protected by Archaeological Survey of India, because this temple is having huge importance. Clear? Uniqueness because of ghee. Clear? So it is said that during the period of severe drought, when water scarcity was there, so Bandasa Oswal decided to use ghee, actually around 40,000 kilograms. Clear? And at that 40,000 kilogram ghee was used as a substitute in the temple mortar. Getting my point? That is why this temple is important. Now, this temple architecture is also considered as very important. Why? Because this temple is created by a red sandstone. Clear? ये temple जो बना है, that is constructed with the use of red sandstone and with the intricate yellow stone carvings adorning its walls, pillars and mandap. So yellow stones को use किया गया है walls पर, mandaps में. Clear? Now, another important thing here is, this temple is a 3-story marvel. Clear? And the sanctum sanctorum, or which is also called as Garbhagriha, sacred place, which is a punch earth covered by a shikhra. So Garbhagriha is covered by a shikhra. Clear? With Karna Amlaks. Clear? And then main central Amlak is at the top. Clear? Apart from these things, temples के अंदर fresco style paintings भी हैं. Frescoes are a type of murals, wall paintings. So temple walls embellished with leaf paintings, frescoes. Frescoes means wet murals. Clear? And these paintings are also having important themes based on Jainism, and also these are ornamented mirror work which depict the lives of 24 Tirthankaras. That is why this temple is having huge importance in terms of Indian art and architecture. Now one question is there, so that whatever the thing that we have discussed just now, you should practice in the form of MCQ. Now this is a practice question for all of you. First, which of the following statements about Bhandasar Jain temple is obligor correct? First statement, it is located in the state of Rajasthan, India. Second, the temple was built in 15th century. Third, Bhandasar temple is renowned for its exquisite frescoes depicting Jain mythology. Then fourth, it is constructed entirely of marbles. अभी जस्ट पढ़ा है तो आप आंसर आराम से दे सकते हैं. Now what would be the right answer? It is located in the state of Rajasthan. This is correct. Bikaner region. Clear? Bikaner region, Rajasthan. The temple was built in 15th century. Yes, temple was built in 1468 AD. Clear? And the construction was started by Bandasa Oswal, and this temple was completed after the death of Bandasa Oswal. Then third, Bhandasar temple is renowned for its exquisite frescoes depicting Jain mythology. This is also correct. So second, now this temple, now try to understand, this temple is based on Jain mythology. This is also correct. Then constructed entirely of marble. This is wrong. Red sandstone. Though marble is used, but the most important material here is red sandstone. So fourth is wrong. First, second, third. Option B is the right answer. Clear? तो इसी के साथ ही साथ आपने एक टॉपिक भी कंप्लीट किया और आपने साथ ही में प्रैक्टिस कर ली. अभी आप कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. क्लियर? This much is clear to all of you. So option B is the right answer. First, second, and third. Getting my point? So Bhandasar Jain temple, this is a kind of additional information. So Bhandasar Jain temple dedicated to Sumati Nath, who is the fifth Tirthankara in Jainism. Then apart from its remarkable frescoes, temple is also known for its intricate carvings, particularly जो pillars पे और ceilings पे है. Then it is considered as one of the most significant Jain temples in Bikaner region, and it also attracts numerous visitors each year due to its historical significance. And that is why the temple stands as a testament to the rich India's cultural heritage, and which was created during 15th century, that is in 1468, as you can see here, by a wealthy merchant Bandasa Oswal. Clear everyone? So I hope this much is clear to all of you. Clear? So newspaper को पढ़ते रहिए so that it will help you in examination. Thank you so much.